YT, what's going on with it? Man, we got this 87 Monte Carlo SS. Came in, gonna get that old one touch in there, one touch treatment. And man, nice car, y'all. Nice car. So as you know, I'm about to go ahead and go on, start on it or whatnot. I'm about to go ahead and get this headliner taken down. And I'm about to go ahead and finish cutting his skin down. So with this right here, we doing, you see how nice this car is, y'all. Check this thing out. My customer said he wants the biggest roof that he can get up in this car. So let's get it, y'all. So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see from the beginning of the video to the end how this process play out. You know, I'm telling you, like, I'm pushing it. When I say I'm pushing it. Let me get this out of the way. Just want to show y'all this thing real quick, just show you how detailed and clean it is. So, you know what I'm saying, we got to go ahead and go with this Audi Q5 roof in here. And man, we finna get ready to go and turn it on up. Turn it on up a notch. This is a Pro Charge car, LS, vintage AC. I had it a couple days, but he had picked it up yesterday. They had a big car show out in Jackson, Tennessee. So he had wanted to go down there, make a few passes in it last night. And he actually tried to drop it back off last night, but I was in the bed, so he came on through this morning and dropped it on out to me so I can go ahead and finish the process. I got the headliner too as well. Here it is right here. So I'm about to go ahead and get started on it, man. Still early. So I'm about to go ahead and take care of what I got to take care of real quick. As y'all know how I do my videos, man, I'm gonna try to keep it brief and detailed, straight to the point. I don't do the editing. You know what I'm saying? I just straight give it all raw. But yeah, your boy finna go ahead and turn up right quick, y'all. Y'all just stay tuned, man. And I'll show y'all my next step, what I got going on. Break this headliner down and finish trimming what I got to trim on here. And kind of already started already. But I'm gonna trim it down some more. And I'm gonna just keep y'all posted, man. So y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. One Touch Customs, baby. We here. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. And yeah, tune in to the next part. One. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got everything trimmed like I want it. You see, I welded a little piece right there. Cause when I was cutting that inside piece of the skin out, you know, I kind of cut a little bit of it, so I just tack welded it so it can hold. But I got my measurements or whatnot. See how I'm right here at the back. So I'm gonna have probably this much of skin from the back. Figure and cut in a minute, so see, this is where the glass gonna lie at right here. So I'm gonna cut like right up in here, probably like a centimeter out, all the way around. But on the sides, I can cut wide. You feel me? Cause I'm gonna do it from the inside, how I always do. But yeah, got that over here lined up out of there. Got everything broke down like I need. And that's why I say, man, everything go good. I know everything will go good as far as my cut. But like for the measurements, you know what I'm saying? I got this much space right here. So for the motor and all that to sit about up in here. Might be touching it just a little bit. But I always can get a smaller motor and wire it up like that. Cause I don't have no motor in the back, so I can push back far as I can. As you can see, this is how much glass it's gonna be the whole roof. So I'm finna go on here and do the cut, man. I cut y'all back on. I got the hole. I'm finna get in and put some covers and stuff like that. Something to cover this these seats up. And I cut y'all back on in a minute. So y'all just hold tight. One. Alright, YT. Today is the next day. Took the kids to school or whatnot. And man, I'm out here trying to get a little work did. I just wanted to bring something to y'all attention real quick, you know, before I had got carried away and wanted to go ahead and weld the skin up as I usually do on a car that I trust my measurement and my judgment on. I had to go ahead and do like a test trial, like I just put some little bull crap spot welds up just to hold the skin up in place. I think this one already falling. Got probably one falling over there. But I did this just so I can know when I put this roof up, you see that? Everything matching up like it's supposed to. I'm not worried about this back here because I'm gonna trim this and I'm gonna get that right. But I got the roof sitting. This is exactly how the roof gotta sit right here in order to make this roof right here work. So I got this locked down. And the only reason why I really did this because I was skeptical about my motor when I put it back up there. I probably can't get up in here like I want, but hold on. Let's see. Let's see, can we, it matches up. Yeah, it matches up. Cause I already had kind of like cut everything out for the motor to fit in, but that was my whole thing. At first, the skin was sitting all the way to the front, and I just didn't know if I could let it back a little bit, you know what I'm saying, to give me this little room for the motor. But everything ended up working out perfect for me. So I slid the skin back some so I can make this motor work. So now I'm finna go and go crazy with it. You know, I can go ahead and get a little cocky with it now. So I'm finna go ahead and grind this skin down to bare metal. And I'm finna grind the skin to the car down to bare metal, man. I'm finna go on weld. And I'll show y'all that thing when I get that roof up in there. You see that? So it's a good thing that I did have this old frame, man. If I never had this old frame, I would have been going back and forth with that heavy glass in and out the car. So this right here gave me everything I needed, man. So it was good that I had this thing on hand. But man, I'm excited right now. Everything is on go, so I'm happy. And hell, I feel like the whole city got their eyes on me right now with this car, so I got to do my thing with it. But man, I just wanted to bring that to y'all real quick, you know. I'll show y'all this thing when I got it up there and when I got it welded in, and shit, put it on tilt, let y'all see what the thing look like. So yeah, y'all just stay locked and loaded, man, to the next part of the video. Y'all, like I said, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's run this page up, man. Y'all see that big thing up in there? So all I gotta do now, y'all, is just weld it, run drain plugs, and weld it, run drain plugs, and wire it up. And hell, should be done. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be done today. I don't wanna get beside myself, but cause I gotta do the little body work or whatnot. But yeah, man, I'm finna go on here and get to it, y'all. Mark my little spots, and hell, go on and get the welding. So y'all just take care till I get back. One. All right, YT, it done got nighttime on me. So I'm out here, about to close up for the night. Finna get ready and shut down for in the morning so I can go and get back to it and go ahead and just fill it over fiberglass, seal it on up so my man can go ahead and get his car back. So they can go and do the little body work on it and yeah, go ahead and paint it back up. Got it back up, y'all. See that? Nice and detailed. Yes, sir. And I'm gonna come back out here with the camera in the morning. I'm gonna show y'all that thing too as well. Just want to show y'all that thing right quick. sir. So she's welded up, bolted up. Tomorrow, I guess I'm gonna go get some drain plugs and get the wiring and the motor. Y'all, yeah, the motor worked perfect too, y'all. I got the motor to work. So, I mean, you know what I'm saying? The measurements that I had came up with, see that? I ain't fit good up in there, like factory. So, yes, sir. Rocking and rolling, man. One touch made it possible. Wait. All right, y'all, YT, I'm back. It's another day. As you can see, I got that thing up in there. I already swiped it with the fiberglass. So it's just ready to go ahead and get the rest of the body work done. So now all I gotta do now is just follow the detail and just get all the dust and stuff out the car. Everything that I did, clean it up. And as you can see, I ran the drain plugs already. Got it nice and tucked. I got the back ringing. See, I got it going through the hose back there in the back. So, yes sir. We on the move, man. We on the move. So yeah. All I gotta do now is just wire this thing on up. So I'm about to wire up this DTPT switch. And I'm not gonna be able to do the headline on this one. I really prefer him to sell this whole board because he's not gonna be able to use this board. It's like an aftermarket headliner board. So I already got the gray suede in here. It's a very nice headliner. So I suggest him to just sell this for probably about $300 and just get the material. Just get it, you know, and get this wrap. This the one that got to go in the car anyway. For that headliner. But yeah, man. See, I got that thing up in there though. Super maxed out roof. Super maxed out. Yeah, super maxed out, man. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute, man. I gotta clean up everything, get all the dust out, and wire it up, and I cut it back on when I got it wired up. So y'all just hold tight, and I let y'all hear this thing, let y'all hear what this Pro Charge LS sound like. So yeah, y'all just hold tight. Last day she'll be here, one touch couple. I gorgeous right here, man. Thing rocking, see it. But yeah, as you can see, man, I got this Audi Q5 roof in, and I marked it up with a little fiberglass up top. You know, my boy said he gonna go ahead and finish the body work. And like I say, when I had got to the details of everything, y'all, right up in here, it had rust holes up in here, like the smaller pits and rust holes up in there. So I took the sealant, man, and ran it all across the bottom, back here at the back. Now this ain't on the roof, you feel me? This just some stuff I had ran all the way to the back. Because I guess, you know, whoever put the windshields and stuff in, they probably didn't properly put it all the way in there right. Because I'm pretty sure all this stuff probably just newly got put in here because this car ain't been built that long. But they probably didn't put enough glue to seal it all the way up, and they didn't fix the holes in the back. I'm pretty sure they was aware of that, but they didn't fix it. But yeah, we got this roof up in here, one touching it. I ain't letting all the way back. Yes, sir. I'm about to get ready to sign now, y'all. He coming to pick it up. He leaving Nashville right now, so I'm waiting on him to come pick it up. But I had to go ahead and get a quick video of this thing. I told you it's gonna be short, simple, and sweet. But I got this thing done, man. Pro-charged SS Monte Carlo with the Audi Q5 roof. One of the biggest roofs you can find in the G-body. Look how much lip we got back here. Not that much. We got that thing up there. Yes, sir. But I'm signing out right now, man. I'm finna get ready to take it around the corner, you know, take a little test drive in it and park it and have it ready for him. So y'all just like, comment, share, subscribe. One Touch Customs, baby, we here. Love.